Shalom, brothers and sisters. Good day, everyone, wherever you are in this world. I'm hoping that all of you are in good condition with the help of our Almighty God, the Father. So, in this world, it's so many deception and deceivers. So, maraming deceiver at mga deception dito sa sanlibutan natin ito. At alam nyo ba yung gawain ni Satanas ay panlilinlang at pagsisinungaling. So, makikita natin sa mga ibang sikta na napakasinungaling. Okay lang sa kanila magsinungaling basta they are gain their own benefits, no? Basta makapagsinungaling sila basta lang sa kanilang sariling kapakanan, no? Kahit walang kaligtasan ang kanilang sinasabi, okay lang. Ayon nga dito sa Corinthians chapter 11 verse 14 na si Satanas ay nagniningning ah, at nagpapanggap na parang anghel. Pero sa totoo lang, siya ay deceivers at diablo. Si Satanas ay refers ito na disguising himself as an angel of light, no? Ayon dito sa Corinthians chapter 11 verse 14. Where it is refers to Satan disguising himself as an angel of light. So ganyan si Satan. In the Bible, light is metaphor for truth and God's unchanging nature, di ba? Satan takes advantage of people's love of light to deceive them. So si Satanas, tinitik advantage para iligaw ang mga tao. Gusto niya agawan ng posisyon ang Diyos at siya aangkin. Ganyan ang gawain ng mga tao at ni Satanas. Di ba, mga brothers and sisters? Satan wants people to think he is good, truthful, loving, and powerful, just like a God. You see that? Yun ang sinasabi ko na si Satanas ay gusto niyang kopyahin ang mga gawain. Kahit siya ay walang kapangyarihan na lahat ay gawin, di ba? So si Satanas ay mahilig mag-pretend. Satan is pretending that he is good, loving, kindness, and light in this world. So, mag-ingat tayo sa gawain ni Satanas. Satan is the father of all lies in John chapter 8 verse 44 and would rather approach people in disguise of something good. So si Satanas, alam nyo, gusto niyang gayahin ng Diyos, di ba? At ilinlang at iligaw yung mga tao. So ganyan din ang gawain ng sikta ng mga Islam. Satan and his minions are often the source of much of the evil in the world. The story of Job is an example of Satan's accusatory nature. So, ganun ang gawain ni Satanas. Kasi ang sinasabi dito sa 2 Corinthians chapter 11 verse 14 says, and no wonder for Satan himself is transforming into an angel of light. So, si Satanas ay nagtatransform ang kanyang sarili to being good, to being loving, di ba? But, if you know him, you avoid his deception and deceiving. So, shalom and God bless everyone.